My name's Senator Lamari, and we've owned this land for 55 years. I pretty well grew up here. I was 40 days old when my parents moved on into the farm here. This wetland years ago was pretty natural, but in the last 25, 30 years it's been overgrown by noxious weeds. So it was an absolute disaster, and it was only a haven for pests, predominantly pigs.
So the problem with Insulator Creek is that there's an overgrowth of invasive weeds, and there's also feral pigs that have taken over the space. So the invasive weeds inhibit the water flow through the creek naturally, so it keeps a lot of other animals and wildlife from living there. And the feral pigs also destroy the habitat for other animals.
The aim of this project was to essentially restore this wetland. We wanted to bring back native species to outcompete the exotics, and so that it would be sustainable into the future. When a wetland's functioning well, it provides a lot of ecosystem services. They provide habitat, clean the water, filter the nutrients and pesticides, herbicides out of the water, as well as trap sediments.
Been involved with different government departments, the local Indigenous people here, the traditional owners. It's actually been a learning experience. It's made me realise that the land is not your land, it's everybody's land, and you only look after it for a short period of time.